Alrighty. Hi, everyone. I think I'm recording. So I am going to tell you that I just stumbled across something coincidentally. It was just rolled out, but I was playing in Google Drive looking for a file, and I stumbled across a feature called Create an Audio Overview. So I started playing around and trying to figure out what files I could do that with and which files I could not do it with. And I discovered that it is for PDFs. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you do this. So I have a PDF right here. I'm going to hit Create an Audio Overview. And over here, it will do it. And while it's working on it, I'm going to go up here to where the actual information is about the update. So this update actually happened just a few days ago, maybe November 11th, 2025. And it says we're introducing AI-powered audio overviews for PDFs in Google Drive. And so it basically tells you that they're doing this, and you can convert your long text-heavy PDFs, such as industry reports, contracts, or lengthy meeting transcripts, into conversational podcast-style audio summary. And so I've only done one. So this is my second one. The first one I did, I think I used a document that was way too big, and so it only gave me like a 4-minute audio overview. But it does seem to work. And so let's see what it does. It says this feature can help your users boost efficiency, improve accessibility, and enhance preparation. Once the audio overview is generated on a desktop, the user receives an email notification that the file is ready. So let me get my mail ready just in case. And let's see, I think it's going to come in updates. And so this was my first one. And again, this was a huge file. This is a whole book. So you do get an email for it. So we'll let that one slip through real quick. Let me get all these out of the way. And then we'll wait for that to come through. And then let me go back to the workspace thing. So it tells you how to get started if you're an admin because it's in workspace. And it says there's no admin control and users. This feature will be on by default. You can visit the Help Center to learn more about it. And let's see, we'll go to that one in a second. And then it talks about rollout pace. So there apparently are a couple of paces that you can do: rapid release domains and scheduled release domains. So if you click on those, it will tell you how those paces function. And then it says availability, available for Google Workspace, Business Standard and Plus, Enterprise Standard and Plus, and also available to Google One AI Pro, which is my account, and AI Ultra, Google AI Ultra for Business, and Google AI Pro for Educational. And then you have Google Help. All right, so let's see if it's done yet. And so over here, let me see what we got. It says sounds good. I'll create an audio overview for this. Your audio overview is ready and added to the audio overview folder. So I can show the location. And the location's right here. So this was the first one I did, and this is the newest one I did. But let me go back real quick. And I'm just going to hit play from here to show you what it looks like. And it doesn't look like it's going to be very long. So we're going to go ahead and open. We're going to put play.
Welcome. So you've asked us to really get into the heart of information.
Okay, so before I finish playing it, I want to see how long it is. So it's only 4 minutes. So let me go ahead and play a little bit of it.
Welcome. So you've asked us to really get into the heart of information literacy because, let's be honest, we're all drowning in data.
We really are.
So today we're pulling out the essential tools, the life vests from our source material, the Information Literacy User's Guide.
And that guide is built on some really powerful foundational models. The main framework, it comes from the 7 pillars of information.
Okay, so you have the same two podcasters. And if you look up here, the file name is the original file name, and then it's that has a dash, audio overview, dash, and the date and time. And so you can download it. And if you download it, I think it's an MP3, but let's see. Yep, it's an MP3. And so we're just going to go right here and save it for here for now. And it will show in the folder, which is a huge folder, so I don't need to show you that too much. But anyway, so it looks like it does it. And one more time, let me show you another one. You find a PDF, you click on the three-dot menu, you see create an audio overview, and then you click on it. And now if you have other files, if you try other files, let's see. Let's try something like this. So if you have a Google Sheets, notice it's not there. You do have the summarize this file, but you do not have the audio overview option. So let's go back one more time to this. All right, so again, there is a workspace updates Google blog, and you can get the information from there. And there are other updates as well.
Google, turn on the smart